Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Repair video series. Good news for engineering students. Admission going on 2025 1st of January. About robotics, electronics and biomedical. Now I am working on X-ray machine circuit board. The circuit board capacitor has been burned. I try to replace the capacitor from board. Now I change the wall damaged capacitor and clean the circuit board. Install new on capacitor. The work is done. Finally, we try to checking the X-ray machine generator, X-ray console board. Complete the work. Successfully done.